Good morning, guys. Here we are today. So, I'm here at the restaurant having a cappuccino. You know, I need to have a cappuccino, a coffee in the morning. And then today we're gonna go to Menjangan Island, that is here in West Bali National Park. We're going to snorkel a little bit. We're gonna go see if we can see some deer. Maybe we're lucky we're gonna see some dolphin. I don't know what we're gonna see, but let's see. It's in the national park, so it's very beautiful. The weather is not so good, but hopefully is gonna be good, and we're gonna be able to do something. And here I have my cappuccino. It's good. All right, okay. I'll see you later when we leave. Going to Menjangan Island. We're going snorkeling. Right, okay, guys. Here we are. Look how beautiful is this. And let's see if we are lucky. If we are lucky, we may be gonna see a deer here too. Look at this, how beautiful it is. So this is the ranger post. Look how beautiful is this place. This is just here we have a lunch. We've been having a very good day, and this is what I get lunch. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what I got. I got noodles, I got some eggs, I got some ketchup, some fruit, I got water. So they think about you in everything, this company. I will put you the link underneath so you know where and who to contact. Right, okay, I will tell you now if it's good or not. It looks good. It's very good. I think the noodles are the best. Okay, and now we are going from here, Terry Macassi. Before the rain is coming, because look at that, it looks like it's coming, and we are going that way. Hello. So I'm kind of a little bit bored here. I never realized today when we went snorkeling, I guess my back burned really. When I was snorkeling, I guess the water, cools down you, but my leg and my back leg and my back is just burned. Okay, still good, still worth. We are waiting now for dinner. We are waiting a friend of mine. She is in another hotel, but she's gonna come here to eat dinner with us. She's from Russia, actually. I'm gonna introduce her. We meet in a hotel on the other side of the island, the first hotel where I got. And so we talked there a little bit, and then I get stuck there like 2 days. And so then when I left, we was talking, and I told her where I was going, and she told me, okay, let me know how it is. If it's beautiful, I come. And so I told that it was beautiful, and she actually came here. So and tomorrow we may go to, we're gonna drive together from here to Lovina Beach, and then there I think we're gonna separate, because I think she wants to go somewhere that I don't think I'm gonna go. I have some business to do in Denpasar, and my visa is expiring on the 24th, so I need to get out. So my idea was to go to the Philippines on the 21st, but it's not possible, absolutely no way that I'm gonna make, because today is already what, the 18th, tomorrow is the 19th, and we are like 200 and some kilometers away, and with the bike it's kind of hard with this weather. I'm really gonna try, maybe, but so we can go to the Philippines. But if not, if we cannot go, we lose the ticket, I guess we're gonna go to Thailand, and let's see if we can get actually stay there for 1 month and a half in a hotel in Hua Hin, and let's see if I can get actually the license driver. And then I'm gonna buy a bike there, and we're gonna travel actually with a motorbike all Thailand. So we're gonna skip for the moment Philippines, and we're just gonna travel there. But let's see how it goes. For now, let's wait that she come, and then we're gonna see.
Maybe the light is
Hello
better.
guys, she's talking, she's nervous. So here we are, this is Sabina from Russia. So this is the girl that I meet in Gaia, what was the hotel?
No.
Gadja.
I don't know. Bali and Beach.
You forgot too, huh?
It's
Okay
difficult.
guys, it's difficult. Let me tell you right away. Gadja Mina Beach
Yeah.
Resort.
Exactly.
So I found her there because practically, I think one night was raining. Who talked? You talked to me first, or I talked to you first? I think you say hi to me.
Probably because I
Probably.
always say hi to
So she say hi to me, and so I did not say nothing. She say hi, so she start the conversation. Anyway, so we start talking and everything, and then of course we talk about where we was going, what we was doing. I got stuck there 2 days because it was raining, so we had lots of time to talk. Of course, what you gonna do if it rains? You cannot go nowhere. And so I say that I was coming here, and so she decided to come here too. She told me, okay, no, first she said, when I left, she said, okay, let me know how is the street. And of course, when I say that the street was good, you say,
Yeah.
you just grab and come.
Yes.
And she was so fast, I don't know what street she made. I don't think she got actually the street that I had to do, because I went to that hotel there on top in the mountain. So how is your life, Sabina? How is your adventure? How is your bike riding? Are you
Well-
enjoying here in Bali? How is?
Yes, I'm enjoying to be here, and my bike riding, well, it's becoming better and better day by day.
Oh yeah. Sorry. You know, she fell actually from the bike.
Yes.
She told me the story. So she actually learned to ride the bike here. Can you believe it? And now she's gonna ride around the island. So, okay, I don't know. All right, okay. So how
Yes,
is-
about 2 weeks ago I fell, but it was not so strong. I only broken my mirror and a little bit scratched my knees. So now I'm okay. And of course, after I fell, I didn't feel so confident. But now, again, after this long trip, from Uluwatu to Bali Beach, and from Bali Beach to West
Bali National Park.
Bali National Park. Yes, I feel confident again. That's good. So that's why tomorrow I'm going to a new place. Yes.
So tell me something. What you will tell the people in YouTube that listen to you? What is the best experience that you can take out from riding a bike alone, solo rider? What is actually that you learn? What is actually that you enjoy? What's the part? Do you want to me say first? What? So you have an idea what I say? Or
Well, it's up to you.
up to you. You decide.
Okay. But yes, I prefer to ride a bike alone. Actually, I haven't tried to have passenger.
No, I mean alone, like be alone,
Yes,
alone
be
by
alone.
yourself
Yes,
and
it's
drive
good
alone.
because yes, it's good because you don't need to always wait for somebody, or nobody needs to wait for you, and you just like take your time. You can stop whenever you want, for how long you want, and you can, of course, meet new people. And what else? You don't have to stop
That's about.
to pee. I mean, if you're passenger.
Okay. That's maybe
Yes.
too. So my take instead on driving a bike, I have to take. The first, driving solo, is you really are free, yes, like you say, you don't need to listen to no one, you don't need to wait to anyone, you meet new people, you maybe travel a little bit together then, like many do and like we did now. But yeah, that's the beauty of driving alone. What I take from all this is the freedom. I realize how free I am actually. The wind that blows in your face, the experience of just doing what you want to do and just feel literally free. If anyone comes to Bali, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, I really suggest to take a bike, to just take a plane to one city and then you rent a bike and you really travel at your leisure, because when you go from one place to another place with a bus, or when you go and you fly from one city to another city, you lose everything what is in between that city to the other city. You lost everything, and you can find so many things. And I've been enjoying, and my adrenaline is going up when I get lost, when I lose the GPS, because yes, you lose GPS here a couple of times, and I get lost a couple of times. But you know what? I enjoyed, I'm happy, and that's what I take. I take that I am free. And of course you meet other people, and that's the other beauty that you have. You arrive in a hotel, you arrive in a bar somewhere, you meet other people that drive like you, that are alone and drive, and you can exchange experience, and you say your point of view, they tell you their point of view, and we all can learn from each other. Do you agree?
Yes, of course, I agree.
Yes.
And
She has a nice
only-
accent, by the way,
I
right?
want to add that it's my first trip, like without all my luggage that I have here in Bali.
Oh,
yes, I sent my luggage to my friends, and these days I'm traveling only with a backpack. So it was very interesting experience, because I needed to choose what I really need to take with me and what I can leave. So it's nice.
And not only that, I actually having the book bag. So this is the second time that I actually travel with a book bag, and so not with all the luggage that you usually travel. By having a small space, I just have like 7 days of change, and so really most of the time I just wash in the shower my underwear, my socks, and my t-shirt, and go, because my pants can stay for 1 week. That's not a problem. The rest, just wash them and hang in there and just let them dry, because you have not the time to take them to the laundry, because usually the laundry takes 2-3 days. But traveling like we travel, we don't stay 3-4 days in a place, or 2-3 days. Sometimes we stay just 1 day. You go 1 day and you go. You arrive in a place, you look what is already in the afternoon, and the day after you go. You have the morning maybe, and 2 o'clock you just leave. So you don't have really the time to wait for 2-3 days, and here in Bali it's 2-3 days, believe me. They tell you, so I bring my laundry on Friday. They told me come on Monday. On Monday I go and they tell me no, it's not ready, sorry, come tomorrow. And you just go back and say, all right, okay. So think about if you are in a hotel and you are traveling. It doesn't work like that. So yes, I wash my clothes. With the soap, with the shower soap, yes. It's okay. Smells good. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to check?
No, it smells good, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
I mean,
yes. I do the same.
shower gel
I
smells
do the
good.
same. Yeah.
Sometimes I use shampoo. Sometimes the shampoo smells better than the body wash.
Yeah. Yeah.
And sometimes, like here, they have the hand soap. It smells really good, and I use that to wash. But hey, that's good. All right, okay. So we will eat now. We're gonna have our dinner here, and tomorrow we will go.
Yeah.
We will go together. At least one part of the trip we're gonna make them together. I believe we're gonna go to Lovina Beach
Or probably to Beratan Lake.
or Baratan Lake. So let's see where we're gonna go, and then from there maybe yes we're gonna separate. I don't think I can get for the 21st to get my plan to go to the Philippines anyway. So I think we're gonna change plan and we're gonna go back to Thailand. We're gonna do the big trip in Thailand with a bike, because actually this was an experience that made me understand that yes, I want to travel with a bike. Where before I was a little bit like, I don't know, this and the other. Now I took the chance to do them here. That is a small, but still makes me understand that yes, that's where my happiness lies actually, in exploring and getting lost. Lost in Bali. All right, okay. Bye. Say bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.